What if you could see every single visitor to your garden, day and night, without ever lifting a finger? This isn't a concept from the future. This solar-powered bird feeder camera, straight out of a 2026 tech prototype, is in my backyard right now star. And the footage it's capturing is rewriting everything I know about the birds outside my window. But does it live up to their hype? Let's find out. Number 1. Smart Bird Feeder Camera 2K HD. Experience the vibrant and diverse bird life right in your backyard with our state-of-the-art 2K HD camera integrated into this innovative bird feeder. This advanced camera allows you to capture stunning images of each bird's striking colors and unique behaviors in incredible detail. Imagine watching the golden feathers of finches sparkle in the sunlight or observing the playful hops of cardinals, all in crystal clarity. With this feeder, you can fully immerse yourself in the fascinating world of birds without ever disturbing them, providing an unobtrusive way to witness their natural habits. Never miss a moment with real-time alerts that notify you whenever new feathered visitors arrive at your feeder. You'll be able to experience the thrill of bird watching as it happens, ensuring that you're always ready to capture those special sights and sounds. Number 2. Birdbuddy Pro Solar Smart. The Birdbuddy app is a revolutionary tool that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to provide bird enthusiasts with a comprehensive way to connect with nature. It not only identifies various bird species and individual birds but also has the capability to detect signs of illness in the birds. Furthermore, the app recognizes other animal visitors, providing users with a broader understanding of the wildlife around their bird feeders. Users can receive real-time notifications each time a bird visits their feeder, ensuring they never miss a moment of the action. Along with monitoring visitors, the app enriches the user experience by offering fascinating insights and facts about local bird species, allowing bird watchers to deepen their knowledge and appreciation for avian life. Number 3. Bico Smart Bird Feeder. Enjoy the stunning and immersive experience of true 4K Ultra HD live streaming from the Bico Smart Bird Feeder, which comes equipped with a state-of-the-art camera. This innovative feeder allows you to invite up to 3 people to join you in watching birds live in real time. Capture the beauty of nature by taking screenshots and recording the charming moments shared by your feathered visitors. You can effortlessly share these precious memories with family and friends, transforming everyday backyard bird watching into unforgettable experiences, all without any additional monthly fees. This bird feeder makes for a thoughtful gift for various occasions such as Mother's Day, Father's Day, birthdays, and Christmas. It's perfect for bird enthusiasts who enjoy observing wildlife, encouraging families to bond while enjoying the beauty of nature together. Number 4. Birdbuddy Pro Solar Smart Bird Feeder. The Birdbuddy app is a cutting-edge tool that utilizes artificial intelligence to help users identify various bird species as well as individual birds visiting their feeders. This functionality not only aids in identifying birds but also in detecting signs of illness, thereby providing critical insights into avian health. Additionally, the app is capable of recognizing other animal visitors to your bird feeder, expanding the scope of wildlife observation. With the Birdbuddy app, users receive real-time alerts whenever birds come to visit their feeders. This feature allows bird enthusiasts to observe and appreciate their local avian population more closely, while also providing educational content about different bird species, enhancing the overall bird watching experience. For users looking to deepen their engagement, a premium subscription is available. This subscription offers enhanced functionality, allowing users to efficiently organize their photo collections of birds. Furthermore, the subscription enables seamless sharing of bird photographs with friends and family, fostering a community of bird lovers. Number 5. Bamboo Bird Feeder with Camera, 2K HD. Bamboo Craftsmanship Plus 2K HD and AI Bird ID, made from warp-resistant, high-density bamboo, this camera bird feeder blends naturally into your backyard and lasts longer than plastic. The 2K camera with 147 degrees wide-angle lens captures fine feather details. Enjoy 7 days of free AI bird recognition, then subscription required, with access to a database of 800+ species, ideal for kids learning or nature enthusiasts. A PIR motion sensor cuts false alerts and sends real-time notifications. Durable design plus all-weather performance. With an IP65 waterproof rating and heat-treated bamboo construction, this feeder withstands harsh weather from -10 to 55 year-round. Unlike sun-warped plastic, bamboo stays intact for years. The 1.2 L seed capacity reduces frequent refills, while 6 built-in infrared LEDs provide clear night vision so you never miss nocturnal bird activity. Naturally insect-resistant bamboo adds extra durability. So, is this your ticket to becoming a backyard wildlife documentary filmmaker? Absolutely. If you're ready to upgrade your garden to the year 2026, all the purchase links to get this exact solar bird feeder camera are waiting for you in the video description below. If this review helped you, do me a huge favor, smash the like button, share this with a fellow nature lover, and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech that's changing how we see the world. The future of bird watching is here. Are you watching?